In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a job alert on LinkedIn. Whether you're actively job hunting or just like to keep an eye on the market, setting up job alerts on LinkedIn can save you a lot of time and make sure you don't miss out on great opportunities. Let's guide you through the process step by step. First, let's start by heading over to LinkedIn. Open your web browser and type in LinkedIn's URL, or simply search for LinkedIn to find the official website. Once the site is loaded, prepare to log in if you haven't already. It's important that you log in so that LinkedIn can personalize your job alerts and send them right to your inbox. On the LinkedIn homepage, you'll see the familiar sign-in button. Click on it and enter your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it. Be sure to check your email or phone for any verification codes if they're required. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn homepage. Next, take a look at the top of the page and locate the search bar. This bar is an incredible tool for narrowing down specific job opportunities. Click on it and type in a job title or position that you're interested in. You can also include a location if you're looking for opportunities in a specific area. LinkedIn will then display a list of relevant jobs matching your search criteria. Now, let's set up that job alert. To the right of your screen, you will see an option to set alert. This feature is key because it ensures LinkedIn keeps an eye out for you, sending notifications to your email or through the LinkedIn app whenever a position matching your search becomes available. Click Set Alert, and you're all set. You'll start receiving recommendations and alerts for jobs that fit your search criteria. This process is incredibly helpful because it allows you to be proactive without having to constantly search for new openings yourself. Remember that you can set up multiple job alerts for different positions or locations. You can manage these alerts anytime by visiting the Job Alerts section under your settings. That's it. You're done. Setting up job alerts on LinkedIn is a powerful way to stay on top of the job market and find excellent job opportunities tailored just for you. If you found this guide helpful, please consider sharing it with someone who might benefit. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your job search.